Good morning. You can see me okay. I don't know when the last time I picked up my camera was. I think it was a good while ago. So either, hopefully it's not too windy as well. This will either go into a vlog that's already going up or the start of a new one. But how are we? It's beautiful and sunny today. Put on my glasses. Very windy though, and it's a Friday. I'm in the studio working on a few things, just running out for a moment. Yeah, so I thought I'd show you what I'm wearing. It's warm, but it's windy. As if you watch these videos a while, it's always windy. So I think I've shown you this jumper before. It's originally ASOS Collusion and I thrifted that a while ago. It's lovely and oversized. And these little leopard print shorts, cycle shorts that I thrifted in Goodwill in America. Then I have on my jelly shoes again, which I showed you before. Again, these are ASOS Collusion. So windy. And then my bag is just my dark coats back. I feel like I'm constantly telling you how windy it is. But that was my outfit for today. I had a bit of a haircut. I don't know if you can notice, my hair is just getting so long. I actually just chopped it myself. Well, I got my mum to chop it. I was like, I need to get it done properly, but yeah. Anyway, that was my outfit for today. I also have loads of new things I've been thrifting in the studio, so I think when I get back I might show you them as well. So welcome to today's video. I hope you're enjoying so far. It'd be great to have you if you want to subscribe. I'll also leave my tag for my Instagram and my TikTok if you want to check out my content over there. Yeah, but let's get back into the video. Good morning. I'm just running because I'm getting ready to go to a market that I'm doing this morning. It's 7:30 and I need to leave like in 15 minutes, I'd say, but I thought I'd show you what I'm wearing for the market. So I have on this gold top. I don't know where I got it. These are so easy to find though. They're like these stretchy kind of elastic gold sequiny things, or I'm sure you can get different colours. They're very handy. And then I thrifted this skirt from, I think it's originally Bershka at the start of the year. It's really quite short, so I have some cycling shorts underneath. And then I'm wearing loafers and socks. And then I have this shirt that I got ages ago from, I think it's M&S. I thrifted it, but I think it's M&S. But I love how those colours kind of play off each other. And this is super light, so if it's warm, I can kind of just get away with wearing this. And then cap, as always. And that is my outfit. So I'll take you with me and I'll film what I can. And look at my nails. Whee. So just got changed after setting up the market, and this is my outfit. Showing you again. Skirt is Bershka, a little thrifted gold top, and then I think this is M&S thrifted, and my cap. Wait out for the market. So yeah, this is my outfit for the market. I had a little bag as well just to put all the bits that I needed, like card reader and everything like that. And then I'm just going to give you a tour of the market. I think I might get copyrighted for all the music that's kind of pumping out during the day, so I thought I would just do a voice over and show you. I think one of my favourite things to do is actually looking around a market, which I try to avoid when I'm selling at them because I'm there to sell. But you know, you can't help but have a good look around, and you never know what you might find. And we had such good weather today, which is great because a lot of the stall holders are outside, so that's always good when it doesn't rain. There was a good mix of vintage and secondhand and really, really good prices. I don't know about you, but a day at the market is one of my favourite things. Car boot sales, markets, charity shops, I love it all. So it is the next day. I'm just about to head into the studio. It's Monday. I thought I'd quickly show you, I think I mentioned maybe a while back, I had some bits that I thrifted. Yeah, so before I put them away, I thought let me show you. Okay, so first up are these Nike shorts, and they've got kind of like a nice stripe to them. Hopefully the light is not too glary, but these are just like perfect for kind of, I don't know, if I actually have worn them a bit, like pairing them with different colors. This green kind of pops off different things, but yeah, really like these and really happy with that find. And they were like super inexpensive. And also a tip to look like in the guys section for stuff like sports gear. If you're looking for shorts, generally that's what I do. Then I got this gorgeous bag. Look at this, it's so pretty. I thought this would be really nice for like an occasion, like a wedding or something, because it will fit quite a lot, and it's got that lovely beaded detail, which I don't know what it's called, but you see it a lot in like vintage pieces. I love it so much. You can see it's like all these little beads. I'd love to recreate something like this in my designs. Like, I don't know if it's like a glued process or what it is, but yeah, it looks so well. And then it's got this lovely red lining inside. So yeah, really pretty piece. Love that. Then I got this gorgeous like navy summer blouse, short sleeve, and you can't really go wrong with a blouse like this because it's not really ever going to go out of style. It just like exists, I suppose, and it's got shoulder pads, unbranded, so I can't tell you what brand it was, but it's got lovely floral design. It is just like a polyester, so it's not like a lovely cotton or anything, but it'll wash really well and I'll have that forever. So it's lovely. It's kind of like a navy with a floral design. I also got all these stickers. There's a charity shop close by was selling like all these stickers. I think these would be lovely for like adding to orders, like as little decorations on the envelope and that kind of thing. So yeah, I just picked them up because I thought they were cute. I have a few of these type of things at the moment, but I thought this was so pretty. It's like this kind of beach cover up with like this sequin neck detail and this really bright stripy kind of chiffon-y fabric. The tag has been cut out of it, so I don't know who it's by, but I would presume it's not that expensive. Like I would imagine maybe Primark or Dunn's or M&S or something even. Yeah, but I love this piece as kind of a cover up, and I don't know, kind of reminds me of like something Carrie Bradshaw might wear if she was like going on holidays. I just really love that idea of the little mix of the sequin in with like the really bright color, and also having fun playing around with like different colors, like a different color bag or heel or something to match. Then I got this really cute purple top with this sequin detail. Again, I thought this would be really fun to style with, like even those two colors together. Something really interesting about that and really fun and different. Yeah, so I like that idea of when you have block colors, how can you play with color and like how can you contrast colors, or just even looking at your wardrobe and being like, oh, that's what that looks like with that, or that kind of thing. And even for me getting dressed, like I have all my clothes on open rails. I've kind of always had my clothes that way, and I think very visually then. I'm like, it's the same as like the fabrics in my studio. It's like that with that like matching color, pattern, texture. Like even just looking here, and like what sticks out to me is like the kind of the zebra print, this lavender color here, and this kind of lacy pink, and then this leopard print. Like how are all those colors like working together? Yeah, I think that's what kind of like interests me. That's what inspires me. Anyway, I'll get back to showing you these bits before I leave. Next, these gorgeous kind of high-waist suit trousers by Miss Selfridge. I don't know, does Miss Selfridge still exist anymore? It used to like always be beside Topshop. I think it was part of the Arcadia group. Maybe it's kind of like Topshop that it's just on ASOS now. But yeah, I thought they're quite simple, but they're lovely, and obviously unworn because they still have like the tag on them, and just for like pairing with blazers and that thing, especially coming into autumn, like even looking at the outfits I have on here. Like, even though I love playing around with colour and having fun with outfits and sequins and everything like that, I also love like a blazer, a shirt, loafer kind of look. Like, I love that classic look as well. So, and I think I tend to lean towards that more in autumn. It's kind of a nice way to kind of bring in autumn with like lovely knitted cardigans and jumpers and like skirts and kilts and pleated skirts and suit trousers. And yeah, I don't want to get too excited for autumn because once it gets cold in Ireland, it's cold for like, I'm gonna say 8 months of the year nearly. So yeah, we've got a lot of that. Oh, this one you might have seen on my Instagram. I showed you trying this on, but I thought this was so cute. I think I actually have a few pieces by this label, and there probably was a skirt or a trouser to match this, but I just was able to get the blazer. And I love this little, I love, if you can see there, it's kind of like got a ruffle detail, and it's kind of like this pinky peachy color pastel. And yeah, I think that will just be really fun for layering and styling and playing with, and just building fun outfits. I always love like stapley pieces like that. Yeah, that's everything that I have thrifted lately. Lots of new bits and lots of fun. Let me know if there's anything you like in particular. I'm gonna head into the studio. I've tried on so much outfits today and I'm really not happy with what I'm even wearing now. So I might show you my outfit, but I don't know, I'm not like fully inspired by it, I suppose. I really wanted to wear capris with like a ballet flat, which is what I have on, but building an outfit around that was kind of difficult. I don't know, I need to kind of do more research, and also because I'm on the bike, it's hard to like if I want to wear a nice jumper, I don't want to get sweaty, that kind of thing. Anyway, I will catch you in a bit.